This zone of a dent does not get the attention that it deserves. So let's talk about it. PDR beginners, a quick one today. Did you know that a dent is always much bigger than it seems? And a dent does not stop at the crown. If you think about it, when this section right in here gets displaced or pushed back, it pulls in from its neighboring features, its neighboring structure. It pulls in. But we know that metal conducts energy, so as that impact happens and that energy radiates outwards and that energy comes to a stop, in order for that energy to come to a stop, it happens because it's met with the resistance of that already being pulled in metal. So just like a wave comes up onto shore and washes back, but is already making contact with the other incoming wave and it crests over, that is what's happening when a crown forms. But it's that zone just outside of the crown, that slightly stretched zone or tension that does not get the attention that it deserves. And on larger dents, instead of wondering why you're oil canning metal, frequently you Texas hell text those large dents that you're fixing and they end up oil canning on you. It's because you're not doing what I call support pushes. So although you're working the crown to be able to free up the low to move, you have to give some support pushes outside of that crown in that slight stretched zone of tension, that last zone of a dent before we move into healthy metal. And I promise you, you will build the stability necessary to avoid oil canning. Now look, if you want to dive even deeper into the rest of the zones, if you want to discover more as you're learning this craft, join us over at Push More Academy. The link will be in the description down below. Now work hard and go be great.